I'm eating Fun Dip right now.
Not giving a fuck.
Cam Erlem. Is that it? Oh no, Cam Relem. Cam Relem at your service with these verses.
Hey yo, I'm park bench chillin', burger patty grillin'. Everybody love to say my name is Rumpelstiltskin. Call up Wu-Gang Plug, tell him come and bring a meal in. My stomach full, I'll go against the world like Scott Pilgrim. Way above the building, bungee jumping down. They say I'm getting trendy like I come after a pound sign. Hashtag Mac, this ain't backpack rap. Give a fuck about what you saying after platinum plated plaques. Take it back, cooking on them hoes. You can make a casserole. Mad that I can rap so well and everything all factual. Ain't worth it if not laughable. I'm off the wall and racquetball. Think that keep your girl awake all night, they call it Adderall. Youngin' on his grind, working harder than your dad work. Black shirt, hurling, and that's my name said backwards. Ass first, hell nah. Treat him like a bellhop. Let him hold my bags and give a tip for that ass, boy. I'm too old to be chillin' at the playground. Say I'm too old to be chillin' at the playground. Never be too old to be chillin' at the playground. Shorty come and kick it at the swing. I'm way too old to be chillin' at the playground. Say I'm too old to be chillin' at the playground. Cops coming, motherfucker, stay down. Girl, I'll be waiting at the swing. Hey yo, I'm blue pork sliding. Go-kart driving, got this rap shit down to a science. My Louis belt way nicer than Orion's. Confined to an assignment, you won't finish in the kitchen like appliance. It's just a motherfucking kid. Say my head is getting big, no, that's my ego. Tripping somewhere where they need to ski slow. Rocking in the fall like a peacoat. Freaks with a deep throat. Students run the class, y'all should keep notes. Drunk, then I'm on to understand. Don Vito, ace in the casino. I'm Robert De Niro, I be low key though. Young Nino with my jeans low. Your girl love it when I speak slow. She go, you can hear the way she moaning. Started back at midnight, at it till the morning. Wake up with some morning wood. Hit it before work, yeah, I'm sure she would. All my female fans, like I'm sure it's good. I'm too old to be chillin' at the playground. Say I'm too old to be chillin' at the playground. Never be too old to be chillin' at the playground. Shorty come and kick it at the swing. I'm way too old to be chillin' at the playground. Say I'm too old to be chillin' at the playground. Cops coming, motherfuckers, stay down. Girl, I'll be waiting at the swing. Hey, $10,000 hands, $1 million plan. My fam still the only people that really know me for who I am. Damn, got me asking when I got this fly. The type to change because of fame, I'm just not that guy. Still sipping on my 40 when the cops drove by. When I go, gotta tell my girl to stop, don't cry. See, I've been buying these diamonds, all designer clothes in the Benz just to drive in. Autograph signing must have got to my head. Fuck that, I've been the same little motherfucker, always down to share my shit. Melody with snare kicks, so I don't give a fuck about some lames. I rode the ferry with my lyrics, it's imperative to live. Music's what I need, boy. Destroy all of these fake me's, they decoys. Everywhere I go, these companies give me free toys. These random strangers is treating me just like we boys. Night, 9:30 flight, like thinking to myself, where does all this go? No time to care, got more I can share. By now, this life is all I know, so this is all I know. This is all I know. Now I'm taught myself to walk, then got up and took flight. Hey, bullshit's always gonna be bullshit. Hey, good life, hands, $1 billion plan. Listening to jams while I'm sitting in my van. This is who I am, all these lyrics on my DNA code. Happy as hell, MDMAO. Fuck a job, there ain't no one that I call my boss. We just trying to work so we can blow up like a Molotov. And it kinda wake me up like a coffee shop, thinking about my people who was murdered in the Holocaust. Got me thankful just for life by itself. And there's way more people here I should be trying to help. Am I wrong for spending money how I do? Probably yes. It's just funny old people see the logo on my chest. You got your thumb held high, we can be friends. Other people pretend we hang out on the weekends. These fuckers a little bit creepy, so we just leave them. So get some rest when I die. Hey, yo, Pennsylvania night, 9:30 flight, like thinking to myself, where does all this go? No time to care, got more I can share. By now, this life is all I know, so this is all I know. This is all I know. Now I'm taught myself to walk, then got up and took flight. Hey, bullshit's always gonna be bullshit. So make it home to a good life. Pennsylvania night, 9:30 flight, thinking to myself, where does all this go? No time to care, got more I can share. By now, this life is all I know, so this is all I know. This is all I know.